everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you my new Young Living starter kit. I'm really excited. I know really nothing about oils. I've dabbled in them in the past but just have never fully understood them. So I decided to take the plunge, buy the starter kit, and I'm really excited to see all the different things that I can do. I've definitely been on a journey of, eliminating the toxins and things from my life and our home, and yeah, I'm really excited to show you what is in this starter kit. I do live in Canada, so this is the Canadian starter kit, but it's very similar from what I see to the American one. So let's just get to unboxing. So I signed up to get the discount and I ordered the premium starter kit. My friend Alex is super knowledgeable about oils and she's been doing Young Living for a while. I had some questions and I reached out to her, talked to her, and a big box later. But yeah, I ordered more than the starter kit, so I'm excited. Yeah, ooh, okay. That's that receipt. So this is in there. In the starter kit, you get this, which I will unwrap, and I got to choose, well, I got a diffuser, so I picked the Desert Mist, which I'll unbox this for you, but from what I've read and all the reviews, this is their most popular, other than the Aria. The Aria is so beautiful, but also so expensive, so this to me was a good, well, it's a good price because it was included in the kit. And then I have, okay, so some of these, which I'm assuming they're single oils. I got a product guide, which is nice to have. Ooh, it makes me so excited. It blends, diffusers. If you don't know what the Aria looks like, it looks like that. It's a goal. And then this. So let's go with just maybe the singles first. This is Abundance. It's kind of cinnamony, kind of Christmas time. Citrus, frankincense, patchouli, clove, ginger, myrrh, cinnamon bark. Yeah, so that's definitely smells Christmassy. So I know what this is. This is the Thieves household cleaner, and it is really concentrated. From everything that I've read, you use a capful or two, 1 part cleaner, so I guess it's very concentrated, so this is supposed to last you a really long time, and it's a disinfectant, all these things. People use it in their laundry. I really want to smell this, so I'm just gonna, okay. It is Christmassy. It's not bad. That's really nice, actually. I like that smell, but my friend Alex was telling me she adds oils in it and it changes the scent, and then it's concentrated. So I'm really excited to be using that because you can use this for everything. You can use this on your windows, on glass, as well as your countertops and in your sink. So I'm really happy to be replacing all of my, regular household cleaners with this person. Orange! Oh, I'm so glad I got orange. Okay, orange, which I think I've heard people adding that into the Thieves. I don't know. I need to told my friend Alex, I'm you need to help me. I'm a noob. The orange, it smells like, if you ever ridden on Disney Soarin', the old, what's it called? The old experience. They used to go fly through an orange grove and they would spray, I guess, essential oil, and it literally smelled like this, so it's good memories. And then this one, okay, this one I ordered for Walter. Actually, yeah, it's a long story that I won't get into. Okay, this is Animal Scent Inner Balance. I need to learn more about this. I just kind of just threw this in the cart without thinking. Carefully apply according to the size of the animal. Okay, so I need to definitely read about this before I apply it on him. He's right beside me. You okay? Sorry if you can hear Andrew on the phone in the other room. It's a little bit brighter there. Okay, so we have that. I need to research this, learn about it, how to apply it, all that fun stuff. Oh my gosh, there's so many like extra stuff in here. I don't remember. So I kind of like that. Oh yes, this is the fruit and veggie spray. Thieves fruit and veggie spray. Really excited to try this. They have bigger bottles, but I thought, you know, I would give this a try, and Amy Lee is really interested in seeing this. So you just spray to cover produce, rub for 30 seconds, and then rinse underwater. I think this is very helpful, especially living through a pandemic and making sure everything is disinfected and clean. This just, you know, gives me that extra peace of mind about my fruits and veggies. So love that. And it feels like there's some more in here. Oh, I know what this is. This is actually why I reached out to my friend Alex. Like why I started talking to her about Young Living. We were just, you know, chatting one day, and I had seen this on Instagram and people talking about it. Oh, there's 3 in here. And yeah, so I have two bottles, but I'll just show you one of the Progessence, and it's just a essential oil blend to support women's health and hormones, and people love this. It's just a support, like a vitamin that you can just add, and I believe it's got like frankincense and amazing, wonderful things, and everyone raves about this, so I definitely picked up 2 bottles of that. Again, I'm not an expert, I'm just at the beginning, I'm at the starting line, so I'm excited to learn more. And then Joy was, I think, I don't know, just a freebie? Joy smells nice. Joy smells joyful. That is all the like extra stuff. So let's open the starter pack. One thing I will say about Young Living, like again, I'm super inexperienced with oils, and but if you've been following me for a little bit, I've been doing the ditch and switch, as my friend Alex says, where, you know, I'm getting rid of all my unnatural makeup. I'm, you know, changing things that I eat and, you know, things that we are using in our house. So this to me was also a natural progression of using Arbonne stuff, which is the most of the stuff that we use at home. But anyways, what I was gonna say is Young Living, the branding is beautiful. I don't know, and I really do enjoy the community that I see around Young Living, and I'm sure there is that community in other MLMs. It is an MLM, but it just, I have to say, I'm like really loving it. So this is what that looks like. Like, it's so beautiful. The packaging is so beautiful. Lift that up. Oh, so nice. So you get this, what is this? Oh, okay, for new members. I'll read this later. Super nice. Okay. That's what that looks like. So you get, okay, I'm gonna try and say this, Copaiba, Digest, frankincense, lavender, lemon, thieves, RC, purification, peppermint, and Panaway. Okay, I'm gonna smell these. Sorry, this is gonna be like a long video. This is the Copaiba. Oh, that's nice. It's fresh. It smells familiar, but that's a really nice smell. Digest. They're really stuck in here. Okay. apologize. And again, I'm gonna have to read about everything because I don't know where to begin. I won't smell everything. I'm just gonna smell ones that I've never smelled before. RC. This video is getting long. Oh my gosh. They're really in there. Okay, this is RC, which I don't know what that stands for. That's nice. I don't know what that is. Anyways, okay. So, oops. Underneath is like this trap door. And there's more. Oh, this is what I'm thinking of. Yeah, Northern Lights Black Spruce. I'm really excited about this. Just the name. It reminds me of something from Bath & Body Works actually, but yeah. So outdoorsy. That's really nice. Especially to blend with other things. Okay, that's great. You also get, I guess these are little sample bottles to give to friends. That's cool. Oh, cool. This is like a little, I think this is like a guide to tell you, guides to tell you what each oil does. Then we have a Thieves hand sanitizer, and then a roller top, which is great, that I can put on the Progescence. That's what I wanted it for. And then a lot of people talk about this. This is Ningxia. There is actually 3 of these. You can put them in your fridge, and something, I'm gonna botch this, but it's made with wolfberry, which is like the highest form of antioxidants that there is out there, and apparently this is just like amazing for you. So I'll try that. It's pricey for, I think, the actual pack of these, but I mean, obviously if it's good for you, it's worth it. Yeah, so let's unbox the diffuser and we will, you know, throw something in there. Why not? Okay, I'm in the kitchen because this is where I'm gonna actually have this. So I'm gonna unbox this. It's just easier for me to do it this way. Here's the instructions. And I'm actually, when I oh my gosh, I just almost dropped one. I'm going to diffuse 2 drops of lemon, 2 drops of peppermint, and 2 drops of lavender. It's for seasonal allergies, people say. I saw, or somebody said it's just called In Bloom, so it was like something that I liked. I want to go pick up eucalyptus and Stress Away and a few other ones, because I think that'd be nice to have. But anywho, let's just unbox this. So I'm guessing that this is the, yep, cord. And that's what she looks like. So nice. And this, I'm really excited because it has a candlelight setting that, you know, makes it look like there's a candle. Why can I not speak? So you fill up this part with water, and there's 3 settings. I shall read it to you really quickly. Oh yeah, so if you press 1 time to turn the unit on high, it will run for 5 to 6 hours. 2 times is low output and it will run for 8 hours. But if you press it the 3rd time, it will intermittently go and it can run for 10 hours. 1 minute on, 1 minute off. But the light will remain on. So that's really cool. So let's fill her up and we will get to diffusing. I'm just gonna do 2 of each. So 1, 2, ooh, 3. Well, it's gonna be a little more lavender, but I don't mind. 1, 2. Oh, of course I would do that. 2, 3, okay. It's more lemon. That's okay. Let me put this on. There we go. And press. And you can, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, the lights are a little bit weird. I think that's low. That's the candle. Now it's coming across kind of crazy, but in real life it's really pretty actually. It does look like a candle. I think at night that would be nice. I think that's really bright, and then that's low. So I'm gonna keep it on that. And I think I'm gonna go to the lower setting. That is it for this unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will keep you posted on how I'm enjoying my essential oil journey and, you know, things that I find helpful. And if you're like me, you're starting out, then we're in this together. But I will link Alex's Instagram down below. If you have any questions, you can actually reach out to her. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again for another one. Bye.